Swifthaul Logistics invites you to review our New Zealand steel logistics issue. In terms of an overview, we're going to introduce the company. We're going to take you through some logistics issues, concepts, and warehousing concepts before finishing with some automation and tech and a summary. New Zealand Steel is a steel mill based 1 hour south of Auckland. It's a fully functional steel mill that takes sand off the beach and converts it to steel. Its core products are roofing iron, and they are market leaders. While the product's low in tons, is high in value and is in the #1 product segment, and the company has created specific offers to leverage its premium status. The current issue we're investigating is the on-site warehouse. It's currently at 130% of its optimal capacity, which is too small and isn't keeping up with product flow and is adding to congestion. Post-COVID, the market's changed and a short lead time model has moved in order to sell the company's most premium products. It's reduced the lead time from 10 to 26 days down to 2 on a core range of painted products. This requires more warehousing, and because the existing site is too small, is causing congestion, and it's affecting customers and causing issues around production efficiency. The company's current resources involve a 3PL trucking fleet, an internal rail line, an on-site warehouse, a few smaller spillover warehouses, and a warehouse at the port. We have some key data points to review in order to help make informed decisions. We've got data that looks at the analytics of the customer forecast to pinpoint the needs, both domestically and export, areas of bottlenecks such as dispatch yards and warehousing, and a regional delivery profile. We also have a holistic view that looks at the train and rail networks, traveling routes, congestion times, existing customer locations, existing lead times, safety constraints, as well as understanding what other industries are using. In terms of analytics, 92% of all the product is sold through the North Island. 65% of that is the premium products that are held in the short lead time offer, and 15% of the total tons are sold as part of the short lead time offer. In terms of the existing frameworks that we're looking at, we have the value stream mapping, just-in-time inventory, warehouse layout optimization, cross-stocking, and continuous improvement.
New Zealand, if New Zealand Steel's on-site warehouse is too small for the activities and case congestions, many issues may arise like flow congestions and bottlenecks, and or like others, which means overcrowded warehouse may cause workers accident and injuries. So how to solve these problems? There may be 4 steps, which is meeting customer demand, for production planning, cost control, suppliers management. And so for the demand forecasting or warehousing optimization, the first method is supplier collaboration, which is establish a tight working relationship with suppliers to effectively execute just-in-time systems delivery, which enhance minimize the need for the on-site inventory storage. And the second one is implement lean concepts, which means utilize lean concepts such as 5S, which are short, fit in order, shine, standardized, and sustained to eradicate. And the third one is warehousing management systems, which means enhance inventory visibility, optimize parking routes, and monitor inventory's movement in real time. The system can improve warehouse management efficiency, reduce data loss, and reduce labor cost. For the warehousing optimizations, the first method is routine maintenance, which ensures proper upkeep of warehouse equipment to avoid malfunctions that may cause operating delays and congestions. A maintenance schedule is developed so that the expected cost of breakdown of equipment are minimized. The second one is employee training, which means conduct comprehensive training session for warehouse personnel to enhance their proficiency in efficient warehouse operation and familiarize them with any new developed technology. Employee training does have positive impact on employees' performance. The next one is cross-stocking. The cross-stocking means logistic techniques that minimize storage and order picking functions of a warehouse while still allowing it to survey its receiving and shipping functions. The idea is to transfer shipments directly from incoming to outgoing trainers without storage in between.
Okay. Main purpose of inventory optimization aims to minimize the total cost. Direct and indirect loads are associated with holding inventories. Thus, to address this issue, I list three methods based on my research. The first one, the ABC analysis, which means sort all products into three categories based on their values. The Class A islands, 10% of total islands yield 65%, and then 20% of total items worth 25%, and 70% of island worth 10%. While adopting this method, it can help focus attention on high value items while reducing storage space to lower value ones. And next one is economic order quantity analysis. Is a method used by business to figure out the optimal amount of inventory to order. So based on this equation showing on the screen, the Q stands for quantity, and A stands for ordering cost. This signifies demand, and H represent holding cost. So this method is still widely used recently because it's really easy to implement. But the four assumptions shown on screen is not constant. So the next method and Markov decision process will be much more practical for New Zealand Steel. So based on the article, this is a mathematical framework used to make decisions in situations. So, and the result indicates adopt this method would be the better choice to create optimal inventory control policy. Then ERPS is the method which New Zealand is still using right now, and it is a software help the business managing everything they do more smoothly. They compare different tasks like accounting, human resource, and customer service. So the positive effect is increase the productivity and decrease the cost. And if we want to improve something, there are using dynamic safety stock and cross-functional integration will be effective. And the last one is the logistic optimization. While logistic optimization is concerned with storage and movement, here are some suggestions. The first one is transportation optimization. Use three-party leverage their expertise in transportation. Second one, continuous improvement in performance monitors. We use KPI to monitor everything effectiveness of logistic optimization. The last one is technology integration. use TMS to plan trunk routes and schedule efficiently.
So network design is critical in the supply chain. It may be defined as a working model that delineates the overall framework of a supply chain to assess the time and cost required to bring goods to the market. The network's inadequate planning is a major contributing factor to the issue of New Zealand Steel's need for more storage capacity. Thus, New Zealand Steel might gain from improved supply chain network design in 4 ways. First is discerning parts for streamlining and potential cost saving. Second is the reduction in frigid cost. Third is route optimization for reducing transit time and fuel cost. Last but not least, optimization of service levels and delivery days for customer satisfaction. The primary concern for expanding the number of warehouses are warehouse locations, lead time, supply chain velocity, and dispatch volumes. The time and quantity of product inflow are equally critical in the process management as outbound. Tools for decision-making include but are not limited to regional traffic planning, historical data, demand forecasts, and analytical tools such as any logistics. Unlike a template, network design should be a continuous progress in the supply chain and adaptable to variations in the sales. New Zealand Steel should set up 2 offset shortage warehouses close to the train line, making it easy access to Auckland customers and the South Motorway to deal with the current situation. Subsequently, long-term plans are created in response in order modifications and the new warehouse performance. Here are some risks of increasing warehouses. More sites lead to more complex warehouse management. Bigger areas may result in higher inventory and higher cost. There is also a possibility of theft. These issues may be resolved by using improved real-time management, enhanced interaction between warehouses and headquarters, and strong security.
In terms of customer service and satisfaction, it can be divided into 4 dimensions, which are reliability, responsiveness, tangibility, and assurance and compassion. In terms of logistic management, they are on-time delivery, dealing with customer needs and problems quickly, ensuring that goods arrive safely and harmless, and maybe customized and personalized service. So, because the on-site warehouse is too small for instance still, it can cause several problems such as delaying delivery, and it also increase the error rate, and the service quality may reduce because of that. So using NPS, Net Promoter Score, as a tool. NPS believes that positive reputation attracts new customers. Well, critics damage the brand's image through negative reputation. A sustained decline in customer satisfaction increases negative reputation. Well, especially on social media and online review platforms, which in turn influences potential customer purchase decisions and reduce market share. And the decrease in satisfaction means that NPS decreases and the competitiveness of enterprise in the market is weakened. Competitors may take advantage of this to attract existing customers, eroding market share and profit margins by offering more satisfying products or service. And also, low satisfaction is often associated with high churn. High attrition rates not only means the loss of existing customers, but also means that more resources need to be invested to attract new customers to fill the vacancy, which will lead to higher market costs and affect the profit margin of enterprise. And also, customer satisfaction and NPS are directly related to business growth and profitability. studies have shown a positive correlation between high NPS score and high income growth. As a result, lower NPS due to declining customer satisfaction can limit a company's growth potential and affect its long-term profitability.
So good afternoon. New Zealand Steel is optimizing warehouse operations through advanced technology, enhancing efficiency, safety, and sustainability. We've integrated RFID and IoT technologies to revolutionize inventory management and operational efficiency. This integration automates processes, enables real-time tracking, and ensures optimal conditions for our steel products, significantly improving our response to market demands and operational challenges. As an operator in heavy industry, our strategic adoption of automated guided vehicles and cross-docking techniques has markedly increased efficiency and reduced manual labor. AGV streamlined material handling, while cross-docking minimizes storage needs, speeding up the product delivery and reducing costs. Machine learning for inventory management. New Zealand Steel has incorporated machine learning, which allows us to accurately forecast demand and adjust inventory in real time, preventing overstocking and understocking. This approach not only reduces costs, but improves our supply chain responsiveness, ensuring agility to meet customer demand. At New Zealand Steel, we prioritize security by integrating advanced surveillance, access control systems, and a warehouse management system, as already mentioned. This comprehensive approach safeguards our assets, ensures regulatory compliance, and provides real-time operational visibility. At New Zealand Steel, we are adopting future trends like 3D printing, blockchain, and data analytics. Looking forward, we are exploring 3D printing for on-demand manufacturing for specific tools used in the warehouse to save time and costs. Blockchain for secure transaction, and data analytics for deeper operational insights. These technologies promise further innovation and streamline our supply chain to enhance customer engagement. Digital twins, finally, for our digital twin technology, it allows us to stimulate and optimize the warehouse operations in a virtual environment by creating digital replicas. This capability supports safety, sustainability, and strategic decision-making, ensuring New Zealand Steel remains competitive in the industry. So in summary, New Zealand Steel is adapting to the future by leveraging these advanced technology while setting new standards for efficiency, safety, and innovation in the steel industry. Thank you.
In terms of strategy, by taking two warehouses off-site, it allows union issues to be negated. It also allows for strategic stock placement. That means that any unionization won't affect the warehouse running. There's also the cost of not doing so. So they think they've got until at least Christmas before this becomes an issue that actually takes all the plants down. And also it allows us to segment our products and our product ranges. In terms of the summary, while there are some internal processes that can be reviewed, inherently there isn't enough space in the on-site warehouse, and the plants aren't able to use delivery to a customer point in the spillover plants. With the warehouse already at 130%, it's only going to be a matter of time before it stops production. The location of our warehouses allow transportation to flow between the Auckland customers and the customers in the lower North Island. The obvious trade-off is cost of not doing so, and the cost of having to put two plants in. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Is it okay?
Yeah, 19 minutes. We started at 5 and finished at
that's good.
5:19.